So, two of my daughters have been wanting a cat for years now. And we, when living with their father, were not allowed to have a cat. They've been begging. Every birthday, every Christmas, every holiday that they would get a gift, their number one request was a kitten or a cat. We don't live with their dad anymore. We have our own place. We are free to do whatever we please. So my daughter's got them a cat. Yes. One of them is at daycare, so she doesn't know about it. But my second oldest was the one that was really, really big on it, obsessed with the idea of getting a cat. So she's over the moon right now. So happy, so excited. So yeah. Say hi. Hi, Luna. Say hello. Oh, they're gonna love you. Oh, Luna. Hi.
Yes, it is. No, it's kind of.
Hello.
Come on. Gather together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Guys, oh my surprise! No, don't see.
What do you see under there?
Surprise?
No, that's not the surprise.
Kitty!
Josie, you are not a baby.
A kitty.
Go see the kitty.
Kitty!
Josie, gentle.
Kitty. Kitty, kitty.